Hi everybody, it's Edna from Oodles of Chocolates, and we're here today. We're going to show you how to make a couple of chocolate treats for Christmas. The first one we're going to make is called a defrosty, and it's just a little puddle of white chocolate made into a cute little snowman face. And then the next one we're going to make are these adorable little reindeer. So they're pretty easy. They start out as chocolate wafers. We use our chocolate wafers, and we're going to use white ones and the milk chocolate ones today. And then we have some little wafers that we're going to use for their hats, some Rolos. We're going to decorate with little mini chocolate chips for their eyes and their mouth, and little orange noses. And then for the reindeer, all we need are little mini pretzels, some cute little eyes, and some little red candy balls for their noses. So all you need to do is melt your chocolate in the microwave. When you're melting chocolate, it's always better to, my expression is always less is more, because if you overheat your chocolate, then you won't be able to use it. So if you just heat it in small amounts of about 30 seconds at a time, and you're going to melt it just until it's this nice creamy. So it's going to take you about 45 seconds. Just take it out and keep stirring until it's completely melted, and then it's ready to use. So the first one we're going to make are the reindeer. So you just want to take a spoonful of chocolate, and you're going to make a puddle on your parchment lined cookie sheet. You want to use parchment paper because otherwise your chocolate will stick. You can use wax paper too if you don't have parchment paper, but parchment paper is ideal. So you just want to make them into little puddles, and then you're going to gently tap them without making your candy go away. Gently tap them so that they make a shape. They're nice and smooth. The reindeer, all you're going to do is you're going to take two little pretzels, and you're going to stick them on, and that's going to be their antlers. One more here, one more here. And then you're going to take their eyes. One little eye goes there, one there. And then you're gonna make a nose, because Rudolph's got a nice bright red nose. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this one up a little bit. All right, so that's your reindeer, and then we're gonna let those sit. So the other thing that we're gonna do are the snowmen, the little defrosties. So you're gonna use your white chocolate, which starts out as your white chocolate wafers, and then you melt it. You melt it for the same amount of time, 30 seconds at a time, until it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to take a big spoonful, and you're going to make a nice big puddle. It doesn't matter how big your puddles are. It's totally up to you, but about the size of the bottom of a cup will make a nice treat. So you just spread it out again. Okay, and then this time you're gonna make your little hat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a wafer and a Rolo, and you're gonna put your wafer on your puddle. Then you're gonna take your Rolo and you're just gonna dip it in the chocolate, and then you're gonna set it on top. So it's gonna make your defrosty's hat. So we'll do this one. You dip it in the chocolate, and that makes his hat. And then you take your mini chocolate chips. You can use regular size chocolate chips, but the mini ones are better. They just make them a little cuter. So you put two on for his eyes, and then you're just gonna go around and give him a nice big smile. There you go. And then you're gonna take your little noses like this, and just set on his carrot nose. Okay, so we did that one, and now we will put this guy together. Oops. So two little eyes, his big smile. You don't have to worry about them being perfect, because the idea is that defrosty has melted, so he's definitely not going to melt perfectly. And where does his nose go? His nose. So then all you need to do is take them, set them in the fridge, It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how cold your fridge is, and they'll be set up. So they're going to look like this when they're done. This is the defrosty, and this is the reindeer. And then it's up to you. You can bag them up and give them as gifts, or you can enjoy them yourself. We just want to give a big shout out to Nowco Home Hardware for sponsoring this event for Light Up the Night.